How to get viral on TikTok in 2025. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you a method that you can use and your chances will be higher to get viral on TikTok. So let's go to our method. For the first step you need to do was quality content. You need to make good content. You will be get viral. The second thing you need to do was 2-time uploading in a day. That is very necessary to get viral. The third thing you guys need to do, you need to use 5 hashtags in each video. In these 5 hashtags, the 3 tags need to be consistent. The one was for you, the second was for you page, the third was viral. These 3 tags need to be used consistently in each video. And there is 2 tags you need to add related to your video topic. Also, when you do uploading, you guys need to write caption tags in that way, like video caption. After that, 4 to 5 stars. After that again, the 5 hashtags, like the 3 that are must and the other 2 are related to your video. Once you guys follow that steps for some days, you guys will see great result. Thanks for watching.